Hello friends, welcome back my channel Smart English Hub with Preeti. So I am here with the new informative video that is about to the Taj Mahal Palace, the Taj Mahal Hotel Palace in Mumbai. So this hotel is situated the shore of the Arabian Sea in Mumbai. This hotel is known for the luxury hotel. This is known for the living of the life of history, and people are knowing for the hospitality and diligence and good dignity. So this is hotel is a luxury hotel, and this hotel created by the Jamshed Tata. Actually, when this comes in my in Jamshed Tata mind, when he went to the England. That time he seen there Britishers people are not allowed to enter Indian people in a elite hotel. That elite hotel. So he seen there. So that time he dreamed he want to create a one place where people could walk in a confidence, dignity and elegant people. So that time he think, and by the conviction he decided to create a hotel in Mumbai. This is in Mumbai, the shore of sea. So that time he created a building. He used to all creature, all European architecture for creating this building, this hotel. So there is a Islamic and European architecture was created that hotel. So their domes and arcs and shapes are very good. Like you can see there is a very beautiful place. You can see there is a good facility, good dining facility, good hospitality was there in Taj Hotel. So that is why Taj Hotel is the number one hotel in the Asia. This hotel is give the 1898. 1898 its construction was its began. So that time Jamshed Tata want to create a hotel wherever people could walk confidently and diligently. So that is why he used to he used to Islamic and architecture, European architecture for creating this hotel, for building this hotel. So this hotel domes, arcs and shapes are very different. So that is why Britishers are coming here in India. So they prefer to go in the Taj Hotel. Taj Hotel is a very famous hotel. So that's is it was the revolutionary of our country. It is the Asia number one hotel. But one incident is happened with this hotel. So incident had happened in 2008 26 November. So that time 10 people's 10 te- 10 terror 10 people are attacking to the 10 terrorists came to attack the hotel into the hotel. They attacked by the firing in the domes and the places. So for chaotic, they created a chaotic and fear to the people. So people are here moving here and there. That time many people have injured and many people have left their life. So that is very sad moment for our country. That time many Britishers are also coming. On that time Adani Group founder is also there. So that thing is happen with this happening with the this hotel on that time. NSG commanded was rescue of this hotel. Its rescue will be 60 hour will be running. After 60 hour all are died. So like I think there is a 60 people 150 people has died and 125 people are injured. So that is the history of the Taj Hotel. If you like this kind of video, so please like and subscribe my video. Thank you. To the Indian people, so we know that all reminds the world with that greatest in world built not only with stone and steel but with vision of courage and